Oh, that's so nice.
That's wonderful.
Beautiful. That is genuine, is absolutely stunning.
Wow.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that is just plants.
Now then, welcome back to another episode. We're going to show you the most incredible place we went in LA, where we ate cheese, vegan cheese. But first of all, we've got loads of books to sign.
Yes, we're signing brand new copies of our brand new book, How to Live Vegan, which drops on the 3rd of October and is available to pre-order right now. So if you order it right now, it'll be on your doorstep on the 3rd.
We actually just sent one to Arnold Schwarzenegger, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go back in time to the best vegan cheese we had in LA.
Good workout. Now time to go and eat more food.
Oh
Ready?
God, here we go.
Welcome to LA!
So we're here in Beverly Hills. We've just been to see the guys at Mercy for Animals, and they told us to come and see this guy.
This is Vromage, the guy who used to hate vegans, but now loves vegans and makes vegan cheese the best vegan cheese in LA.
Cheers!
Yeah, we're gonna go and try a little bit now. Can't wait.
Let's do this. Hello.
Hello, how are you? Welcome.
How are you doing? Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to Vromage.
Thank you. What do we have here?
All right, this is your triple cream with truffle. It's a brie style. And then we make them also individually like this. This is your mozzarella. I make two types of mozzarella. The mozzarella with an M, it gets gooey, so that means you can cook with it. This one is a pecorino with ash, vegetable ash, which is, it's got a nice flavor, like for pasta. You can shave it a little bit on the harder side. That's your manchego, Spanish cheese, which has got that sweetness, orangey taste. And then we have the spicy pepper jack. Also has a creaminess and a little tang. And then it finishes with a little kick as a spice.
Well, I think you've nailed it with this. This tastes absolutely fantastic.
We're gonna try it right
You
now.
want to try a piece of that, camera lady? That is wonderful. It's got a creamy texture, and you can tell there's no nutritional yeast in there because you don't have that strong taste.
Yeah, mozzarella isn't a strong taste, is it? So that's perfect.
This is the cream brie.
Amazing.
Oh my God. Oh, that's so nice.
Well, it smells wonderful.
Oh my days.
We may have to take some of this brie home with us.
That is genuine, is absolutely stunning.
Wow. Yeah, it's got that richness, that real cheesy flavour.
Yep.
You're a wizard.
And now we give you a taste of the soft manchego.
So that's a Spanish cheese, right?
That's a Spanish cheese.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you know cheese. Cheese. What I like about
That's really tasty.
Should we try another?
Have we got any more to try? Are we
you like it? Plain ricotta, which is our biggest seller, is a ricotta like a cream cheese.
Yeah.
Creamy sauce.
That's so creamy.
Yeah.
No, you'd never guess that wasn't dairy. That's amazing.
Squishy.
It's like a thick, very thick yogurt.
That would go perfect in a lasagna.
It's damn right.
Pepper jack time.
Let's do it. The texture is so good.
Simple, but the flavours. I love the spice.
Yeah, the
The
spice.
subtle spice that comes through.
Now we're going to give you a taste of the goat.
The goat's cheese.
Wow.
Goat type is goat without the goat. It's goat type. Tangy and salty.
Wow, I've still got that
Yeah,
pepper. The pepper's coming through.
Yeah,
It's
isn't
really
it?
subtle, but it stays there.
Oh my goodness. That smells good.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so lemony. And that's beautiful.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot nicer than goat's cheese.
Wow.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that is just plants. You might have to buy some of that goat cheese.
I think
to
they
take home.
probably should.
Cheers.
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 Wow.
Oh, it's nice.
Well, dude, let me shake your hand and say thank you for the amazing cheese.
Thank you for stopping by. Thank you.
This gentleman is an absolute wizard with cheese.